Okay, I'm playing.
Pepper.
What?
Salt. Fork.
Okay, I am playing a game called Food Revolution I just got, and I started playing it a little. So basically, you put the food together and get more food. And, like this is a taco, makes burrito, and the burrito. How does that even work? How is there a melon slice from a burrito? What is this? I mean, that makes more sense than tacos making half a melon and a melon slice, but okay. Woohoo! Apparently they're missions.
Salt.
Get colors around. Oh, upgrades. Let's see what this is. What? Woohoo! Tractors, whatever they do. Make more food. Make the food. Make the food. Make the food. Food. Oh, there's an album. Oh, hi, Taco. Are you the one that let me out of that box? Yep, that's me. You're my hero. I was stuck in there for 20 years. Cool story, bro. Thanks, fam. I'm just glad that I'm free now. Wasn't scary inside the box. It was terrifying. I'd rather not talk about it, though. Ha 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 ha. Oh, you're so adorable, Taco. I love you. Oh my god. Melon, are you okay? Half Melon, are you okay? Are you gonna be fine? Feels like there. There's a whole melon. Look at that face. It's adorable. Oh, I love you. I love you, Melon. No, I don't want to watch that. Ooh. Upgrade the burrito. Open the box. What's inside the evolution box? Oh my god, that's adorable. Oh wait, that's creepy. Okay, let's find more stuff. Yeah. Oh gosh, Taco. They've taken over. More tacos and burritos and other food items. Make another thing. Okay. So what do you have to say for yourself, burrito? Hello. I'm a burrito. That's pretty cool. It's very cool. They don't call me burrito for nothing, you know. Very funny. Thank you, I'm an aspiring comedian. Tell me more jokes. That was my only one. How can you only have one joke? I'm sorry, okay? I'm doing the best I can. It's okay. Keep trying. Thanks for encouragement. I won't give up. Whoa, dude. Or whoa, how did I get here? I combined 2 burritos and they exploded into you. Are you kidding me? How does that make any sense? I'm telling the truth. You're telling me you just combined 2 burritos and they exploded into existence? Yeah, you did. You did, Melon. Yeah, I want to hear jokes. Who's there? Hey, Mapu. You. Okay. That was interesting, I guess. Oh, it's an adorable cupcake. Look at that. What's this? Oh, a cupcake. So then, shipment center. Oh, it's what's in the boxes. Oh, that's cool. More of them. Let's put this on. Let's do this. What's that? Oh, yay. Random gift. Okay. We have to save for ourselves, Melon. Hello, I'm half a melon. Well, you can talk. Obviously. Why does your mouth move when you talk? That's a question. Apparently it bugs some people, but I think they're just jealous. Well, it's kind of creepy, honestly, half melon. Haters gonna hate. Well, you got that going. Hey, I've got a joke for you. What is it? I want to know, joke. Why did the boy fall off the swing? Why? Because he had no arms. That's so sad. Yeah, I felt pretty bad for him. Oh, $500,000. You're just a bundle of sunshine, aren't you? Gift. Nah, I don't like ads. I'm a whole melon, the real deal. Took 2 melon halves to create me. I thought it was supposed to be the other way around, but whatever. You know what I've always wondered? What? If you eat a whole melon, or if you eat a watermelon seed, does a watermelon grow inside of you? Probably. I don't want to try it. I don't know where they come from. Merging two seeds halfless. Or halves. Yeah, that doesn't make sense, I guess, if you're a watermelon. You smart. I appreciate that. Thanks, watermelon. Yeah, I have been talking to foods. Ooh. Oh, you have stories? Oh, that's cool. Hey, Cupcake. Oh, I love cupcakes too. Yeah, I like you. I don't know where it came from. I made 2 watermelons. What? I would have guessed that I came from a cup and a cake. How could I be made of watermelons? You just blew my mind. Oh, you blew my mind, Cupcake. It blew into existence. This is a very random game, huh? Watermelon stew. Eat it. Yeah. Melon pie. Where's the stories? The life of a taco. Huh. So how big out of the box? Oh, you go to college. Aren't you too young for college? 20 years, huh? Yeah. I didn't know tacos went to college. They usually don't. But I have dreams and goals. I don't want to end up like spaghetti over there. I lost my job and couldn't pay rent. So I had to move back to the spaghetto. Oh no. Oh well, that's life. You can see now why I need to go to college. Yeah, you don't want to end up there. Used to be a rapper. Oh, nah. Savage. Let's talk about college. It's hard to pick college. There's just so many. But what do you want to be when you grow up? Well, most tacos around here grow up to be burritos. Yeah, it does make no sense. I agree, burritos. There's nothing wrong with being one. I agree with you too, Taco. No, anything could be better than being a burrito, honestly. Tell me another joke. What does Noisy Pepper do? I don't know what. Gets jalapeno business. Amazing. Yeah, I want to hear another one. Come in. No, you're supposed to say who's there. You ruined the joke, sad face. I gotta get back to working on applying to colleges. Talk to you later. Okay. Bye, Taco. Nice talk. Gotta talk there. Oh, I made another cupcake. Let's do this. Woo! Cake slice. Oh my gosh. What do you have to say for yourself? Ugh, what's wrong? So stressed out. What kind of work needs to be done? Make a game. Sounds cool. Oh, thank you. Anyways, just love work. What's so hard about it? It lets you talk about food. Sounds easy. Pretty hard, huh? $100 foods, each 30 lines? Really? The dialogue is branching too. What does that mean? Oh. Well, you do that cake slice. Whatever you're called. I don't know anymore. Gonna merge foods and live life. Oh. This game. Oh. No. I don't want to do that. Yeah. Increase it. Increase it! What's that? Collect! Oh yeah, coins. All of the coins. What's that? No, I don't want a cookie panda. Yeah, let's buy more things. Yeah. Oh my gosh, what did I do? Why did I do this? You guys just, no. Get out of here. Go be a cupcake. Okay. This is just too much. Oh my gosh. No. Oh, what did I do? I can't get the box! I can't get the box! Ah! It's stuck back there. Come on. No, I can't reach the box. I got accepted. Yes, all my hard work finally paid off. What happened? You got into college? Oh, congrats. Thank you. What's it like? You've only been to college for a week? Pretty amazing, huh? So many parties, little classes. You should go to class, Taco. Taco, no, you don't want to be like spaghetti. I know you're an independent taco, but you don't want to be like spaghetti. No, go to class. I will literally eat you. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, you're welcome, fam. Just made you go to class. But they're going to eat you. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. But I mean, he's going to class, so. Ooh. As long as he's going to class, I'm fine. What are you doing? What are you doing? I don't know. I'm bored. I'm bored. You're not helping. What do you do when you're bored? Play games. I guess that makes sense. I don't have phones, so I can't play games. Such is the life of watermelon. The struggle is real. Oh, I know it. Well, this has been fun, but I'm gonna go on to the next game, so bye. Okay, I am back with another game. This one's called High Risers. And I played a couple rounds of it, and it's pretty fun. So, point of it is to get as high as you can. If you like fall where there aren't any walls, you kind of die, I guess, and you have to restart. So I guess you're trying to get as high as you can. And I don't know, I like it. 30. Oh. No! No! Oh, praise. Let's do this. Christmas tree? Oh, North Pole. Do I use it? Oh, it's a new setting. Oh, it's beautiful. Let's do this. No! Let's go over here for once so that I can actually get up there. It's pretty easy so far, but I haven't been playing it for long, so I don't know. I like it. It's fun. Oh no! No! I don't want to rate you. What's this? Oh, they're different characters. Oh, Jennifer. There's Richard, Emma, Fiona, Teddy. There's a ninja. His name's Hanzo. Oh my gosh, Rudolph. How do I get Rudolph? I want Rudolph. Give me Rudolph. Okay, so shuffle. Metropolis. I'd rather be in the North Pole. Thank you very much. Let's place Jennifer. Oh. Corn! Okay. Got this. Woohoo! Level 40, okay. No! What's this up here? 43. Huh. The top left corner, huh? Well, let's keep playing. I wish there was more music though, like, I mean, Food Evolution had a ton of music. It was amazing. Okay, it's moving. Oh no. Oh, what is this? I am so confused right now. Oh. Would you look at that? Oh! Well, I think I'm done with this for now, so. Oh. Okay, so this is the next game. It's called Paper Wings. It's giving me a introduction. Why aren't you flying? Oh. Oh, cool. Look what I'm doing. Woo! Oh, I love this. Whee! Ow. Oh, the water doesn't hurt me. Good. Oh, I got it. Oh, I got it. Yeah, look at this. Oh, I unlocked a pigeon, huh? Woo! Let's go and get those dots. Woo! Quintuple hit. Oh, no. One of them got to the bottom of the water. Okay, so let's select a pigeon. Oh, yeah, I'm a pigeon. Let's be a pigeon! Yeah, pigeon style. Pigeon style. Oh, I go on the other side. Oh, that's helpful. Whee! Go and get that. Go and get the dot. Get the dot. Woo! Yeah, dots. Woo! Woo! Let's do this. Let's do it. Oh, I can't move. Oh, what am I doing? No! 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 Where am I going? No! Oh my gosh. I did it. Oh my gosh. Pressing just in time for these achievements. Yay! Spinny, spin, spin. I'm a bird. I'm a big fat bird. Woo! Oh, I thought I was supposed to hit that. Apparently I wasn't. Oh. I was like the birds. A dove. Oh, that's what it was. A pigeon. Both pretty common, huh? It's a crow. Oh, it tells me facts about them, huh? So like sparrow. Oh, I was right. Magpie, owl, eagle. That's a falcon. Oh, it's a plane. It's a cardinal, magpie, parakeet, trolling. What is it? Trolling a bee. Macaw. Let's see if I can name any of them. It looks like a puffin. Cockatoo, hen, and a jerk. That's let's go back to the pigeon. Yeah. Pigeon. 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 Continue. Oh man, this is fun. It's like an arcade kind of game, but it's like difficult. Oh my god. Okay, so rotate you that way and that way. Woo. Yeah. Let's go and get the dots. I'm gonna get me some dots. Woo! Woo! Dots! Oh, I missed it. Oh, come here. No, I can't get it. Woo! Stay tuned. Let's get that dot. Dots, come here. Oh, that's easy. This is the water like help me or something? Oh god, come here, come here. No, 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 no. Come here. No, no. Oh gosh. Just about died right there. Okay. So gonna okay, come here, Dots. Come here. I'm gonna catch you. I'm gonna catch you. I'm gonna catch you, Dots. Oh no, I'm not supposed to. No, my tail. Oh. Well, I think that's enough for this game. So let's see on the next one. Okay, so the final game for this video is Marimo Dungeon. Oh, I missed the intro. I was showing my intro earlier, but I didn't pay attention to it. Okay. So I have this little thing called Marimo, I guess. Am I supposed to feed him? Oh, his XP's going up. Look at the top left, or top left. Okay, little Marimo. It's menu. Oh, they're so adorable. There's a tutorial. Let's do this tutorial. When you tap food, you can give the food to Marimo. If you give food, Marimo will grow a little. Experience points accumulates to fill. Level goes up. Yay! In addition, Marimo might evolve. Food is restored over time. Please give the food on a regular basis. Oh, I'm terrible at games like this, where you have to feed them constantly. Oh, oops. Oh, hi. Oh my god, get off. Eat up the food, little Marimo. Well, let's go. Yeah, let's do the tutorial. So I know how to do this. Okay, so I just have to support Marimo. Okay. And he attacks other Marimos. I guess that works. Oh, eat up, little Marimo. Little guy. You know what? I need to give you a name. What should his name be? Let's, I'm gonna name you Jerry. Hey, Jerry. No. To the dungeon. Floor 1, I guess. Do it! Jerry, do it! Oh my gosh, you got this. You got this. You got this. Oh yeah. Do it, Jerry. You got this. You can defeat them. I like how you smile and they're just like, what's up? Like, they don't do anything. Come on, Jerry, kill them. What's the point of this? Am I like making him level up? Oh yeah, do this, Jerry. You got this. I believe in you, little guy. Why won't that one die? That one's not okay. The dark blue one wasn't dying. Oh no, what happened? No, there's a giant Jerry. What is this? Is it a boss? I don't like this. Come on, Jerry, you can do it. I believe in you. Yeah, dance around him, Jerry. You'll win over him with the power of dance. Oh, do it. I love how you smile. Yeah, oh, you did, Jerry. I love you. Oh, what's that? Oh, it's another. Oh my gosh. Jerry's not ready for this. Jerry's not ready for this. No. Oh no. Jerry's just a little boy. Jerry, no. Oh god, Jerry, no. Jerry's losing health. No. I'm dead. Jerry. Jerry, no. Okay, let's go home. Oh, look, Marimo flirtatious. What? Affectation? He'll attack with the sword from level 3. Oh. Okay, so this is Marimo Larva, the one I had. Suddenly one day, this young Marimo visited your home. He seems to want to be a human. Aww. Hey. This one has 2 skills. Oh, the other one only had 1. Huh. Would you look at that? Okay, so eat up, little Jerry. I like how he throws his sword and shield around. It's so adorable. Come on, Jerry, eat up. You need to be fully restored for your next, whatever you would call it. Okay, so I guess I just wait until his XP is full. It's such a cute game. I love the art. I love the style of Jerry, the Marimos. It's nice. Okay, well, since his health isn't going anywhere anytime soon, I guess I'll see you next time. Bye.